from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Check your lottery tickets. You may be $1 million richer. We'll tell you why in today's Henrico News Minute. It is Thursday, September 14th, 2023. It's brought to you today by Disco Sports.
And now for the news.
A Virginia lottery ticket bought in Highland Springs was one of two big winners in the lottery's September 9th drawing. The Bank a Million ticket, worth $1 million after taxes, was bought at Tobacco Zone on South Airport Drive. Whoever has the winning ticket has 180 days from the drawing date to claim that prize. Lottery officials advise that before doing anything else, winners should immediately sign the back of the winning ticket to establish ownership. The Virginia State Police's Help Eliminate Auto Theft program earlier this week presented awards to 3 Virginia police departments and 15 individuals to recognize their efforts in helping to reduce vehicle theft and theft of vehicle parts across the state. The award ceremony took place in Norfolk. The Henrico Police Division was the agency winner for departments serving a population of more than 100,000. Several officers from the division also were honored with individual certificates of merit, and Mark Smith, owner of Midas of Richmond, was a winner in the private sector category. Micky Ogburn, the Chopt District representative on the Henrico School Board, who's vacating her seat at the end of the year, has endorsed a candidate to replace her. That candidate is Kristen Vitolkis. Ogburn made the announcement September 12th. Vitolkis is one of 3 candidates seeking the Chopt seat, along with Elena Espy and Madison Irving. Alicia Atkins, the current Varina District Board member, has endorsed Irving for the seat. All 5 seats on the school board are up for election this November. Ogburn said she has, quote, the utmost confidence, end quote, in Vitolkis, and praised her work volunteering with the county school system as well as holding offices in Henrico parent-teacher associations. A nonprofit organization working to represent the needs of solar owners and supporters has launched a solar co-op in Metro Richmond. Solar United Neighbors has launched its Metro Richmond 2023 Solar and EV Charger Co-op, which is free to join and open to homeowners and business owners from Henrico, Chesterfield, Richmond, and beyond. Partnering with the co-op are the City of Richmond, Henrico County Energy Management, Viridiant, and Norfolk Solar. Joining the co-op does not obligate members to purchase solar, but they will have the option to individually purchase panels and electric vehicle chargers based on the installer's group rate. To register for an information session or learn more, you can visit solarunitedneighbors.org/RVA 2023. The West Broad Street Shopping Center has a new owner. Airport Hotel LLC of Ellicott City, Maryland purchased the Broad Street Plaza Shopping Center at 9856 to 9864 West Broad Street from Sled Properties September 12th for $9.55 million. 58,000 square foot center has 4 tenants, including anchors Michaels and Kids Empire, which recently signed a new 10-year lease agreement. Henrico County's Division of Fire has earned the accredited agency status from the Commission on Fire Accreditation International and the Center for Public Safety Excellence. It's the 6th consecutive time the division has earned the designation. Pursuit of accreditation is voluntary. It's awarded on a 5-year cycle. Henrico Fire has been certified continuously since 1998. It'll next be up for re-accreditation in 2028. There are fewer than 400 agencies worldwide that own the designation. Fall sports are back, and Disco Sports is your locally owned source for everything you need to get on the field. Save 15% when you buy at least 3 soccer items. Save on all your 2024 baseball and softball equipment needs, or pick up some new pickleball paddles. Visit discosports.com or just stop by 1400 Starling Drive, just off Quioccasin Road, next to BJ's. That's Disco Sports.